If you think keep silence only means to zip your lips, think again. Let's unpack this Greek gem together. The phrase keep silence in the Greek New Testament often translates from the word sigao. But here's the twist, it doesn't just mean being silent. Sigao has nuances that go beyond mere hush. It implies a tranquil silence, a calmness in spirit and mind. Imagine a peaceful stillness where noise and chaos fade away. In 1 Corinthians 14:28, Paul uses sigao to instruct those speaking in tongues to remain silent if there's no interpreter. Here it's not about enforced silence, but about creating order and understanding. The Greek concept of sigao invites us into a deeper reflection on the nature of silence. It's about finding peace and fostering an environment where true communication can happen. So, next time you read Keep Silence in the New Testament, remember it's about more than just silence. It's about harmony, tranquility, and deeper understanding. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this insight, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more theological insights